Crypto universe, I'm back again with another video. I'm excited, you should be too. The market is pumping in all the right places. Altcoin season could be underway as we speak. I still think we should take a couple weeks to see, but sometimes altcoin season could be so fast that you might miss it if you wait a couple days or weeks to see. But Bitcoin is kind of trading sideways right now. It's still trending closer and closer towards its all-time high. Right now it's at 103,000, but a lot of altcoins have gone up over the past couple hours, especially meme coins, specifically meme coins tied to the Solana ecosystem. This is an article I wanted to go into from Decrypt that referring to a new meme coin called Goon Coin, and the article reads: crypto trader turns $332 into 190K on Goon Coin as Solana meme coins get hot again. One trader turned a $332 investment into approximately $190,000 trading Goon Coin. The token was launched on the rebranded Believe app via its X reply launch coin mechanism. So basically, they have it set up to where if you contact them through X, aka Twitter, and you just tag them and then name a coin that you want to create, it'll create it. And so Goon Coin is now trading at a $54 million market cap, up $70,000 in the past 24 hours. A Solana meme coin trader turned $332 or less than 2 Solana, less than 2 SOL at the time, into nearly $190,000 by trading a new meme coin called Goon Coin over the past 24 hours. The token was introduced late Monday night via Believe app launch coin mechanism, which allows any X user to create a Solana token in a post that tags the launch account. Since debuting, the token has skyrocketed 70,000% to a $54 million market cap. So I imagine with that type of success, there's definitely going to be other people who are going to try to do the same thing to recreate their own coin. Will it have the same success as Goon Coin? I don't know, but I'm going to continue the article now. So it says, within minutes of Goon Coin's start, a trader with the Solana address beginning in BDJSZ purchased more than 8 million Goon Coin with just 1.97 SOL, or around $332. Less than 24 hours later, that account had slowly chipped away its Goon Coin stack, frequently selling in batches between 1,600 and 3,500 and locking in $190,000 in profits in the process. I mean, this is absolutely incredible. And I know there's a lot of people that are like purists that they hate meme coins, but I've been around crypto since 2019, and one thing that I definitely learned during the last bull run back in 2021 was just trying to reject or ignore meme coins just because they don't have utility. It doesn't matter. Ultimately, these meme coins will outpace most of these utility coins. That's just what it is. That doesn't mean they're gonna last long term, but at the very least, they're going to outpace most utility tokens, no matter what partnerships they have, no matter how good the technology is, and also no matter how fast a utility token may be able to send financial transactions. But so either way, you have to invest at your own risk, of course, but I know this time around I'm gonna keep an eye on as many meme coins as possible, just in case, because you never know, right? So next thing I want to get into is XRP. As many people know, XRP, the ETF for XRP, is launching May 19th, and I wanted to show you guys a quick segment from a conference just referencing how important futures are, but also reminding you that there is a ETF coming for XRP on May 19th.
So that gave us some comfort around Solana, also gave us some comfort around XRP. I think when you look at those, and XRP incidentally goes live on May 19th, when you look...
It just was announced from the Comptroller of Currency that more than $50 million 50 million Americans have money in crypto. So I'm going to read the quote here. It says more than 50 million Americans now hold some form of cryptocurrency, and digital assets continue to represent hundreds of billions in financial security. The digitalization of financial services is not a trend. It is a transformation. Now, this was a quote from Rodney E. Hood, who was the acting comptroller of the currency. And again, this is something that people have been trying to point out for years now, which is at the end of the day, no matter which way you slice it, you calling it a scam and trying to downplay it, that's not stopping the future from coming. So it's one of them things where it's like, hey, you either can get on the train early or just miss the train altogether. But that's, again, it's a personal choice at the end of the day. Final thing I wanted to get into here for this video is one of the people behind the $1 trillion UBS bank just said that they know a bunch of people, other firms, that are adding up to 5% of their portfolio in cryptocurrency. So let's look at this video.
Alternative is not just private market, and also hedge fund, commodity, and crypto. Interestingly, recently when I talked to some of the traditional family offices, they were telling me they are now looking at allocation of 5% in crypto. That's
5% may not sound like a lot, but in the crypto world, of course, because in crypto, we're so used to hearing these outrageous numbers like 100,000% and all these crazy figures. But in the traditional financial world with all the normies, 5% is a very dramatic move. And it shows that, hey, they recognize that there's a lot at stake here, and they're trying to dip their toes in to see how much they can make as soon as possible. But that's all I have for this video. I tried to get this video knocked out really quickly because I need to go to sleep. But let me know what your thoughts are.